there are times when we are not confident enough to say cheese. There are many reasons actually. So maybe sometimes the person is shy, maybe sometimes there are other reasons involved also. So no problem at all. If you know how to do it in Photoshop, you can do it in few clicks. Get the latest updates about art, design and self-development. Subscribe to my channel Doodler and hit a thumbs up if you like it and pass them on to somebody who might like this too. What's going on everybody? So this is Doodler and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to get a white and sparkling teeth in Photoshop in just a few clicks. Without wasting your time, let's jump into the topic. First of all, I'm going to File and I'm opening the image I'm going to edit. Okay, so I got it from Pexels, so if you want you can got it from Pexels too, and I have given the link below. Okay, so we need to fix the yellow part of the teeth. Okay, so to do that, first I'm just naming it like original image. Okay, so that I will make a duplicate layer and duplicate copy of it, and I will work on the duplicate layer. Okay, so that we can compare it with original image later. So I will start with quick selection tool. Okay, and I will just zoom in the part, the teeth part, and as you can see the plus sign here, so I'll start with quick selection. So I will start dragging the part. I will click on shift and start dragging the part. Okay, so as you can see I'm dragging this part, so slowly and carefully, and I don't need the black part here, you know, the middle part of the teeth, so I need to deselect it. So I will select the minus sign and I will do the same, clicking on shift and dragging it. Okay, so that the part we don't want will be deselected. Just so takes a little bit time and patience, and yep, it's almost done. So yeah, little bit here and there, as you can see in the, you know, like lips part. Okay, so now I will click on Q as in quick mask tool. Okay, so the shortcut key is Q. So and I will select the brush tool and I will make the background layer white, and I will just simply brush the part I don't need. Okay, like that. So here I'm brushing it carefully. Okay, so almost done. Then again I'm going back to Q and it will be again selected. So now what I will do, I will go to, yeah, the little bit here it has been, should be more fine here. Yeah, okay, done. So I will go to, now I will go to image and adjustment, I'll go to hue saturation, and here in the drop down master I will choose yellows and I will bring down the saturation, so that you can see like already it is getting little bit white. So I will keep on doing the same thing till I get the desired result. Okay, so again I'm doing the same thing, selecting yellow, bringing down the saturation level and bringing up the lightness little bit, hitting OK, and then I'm going to image, adjustment and curves. So here I will make it little bit wider through this curves. Okay, as you can see now it's little bit white. than before. Yeah, so for more perfection, I'm again doing the same thing, bringing down the saturation level a little bit, bringing up the lightness. So you can do it till you get the desired result. Okay, so I'm again playing with adjustment curves. Okay, yep, so I'm pretty happy with the result now. So it's almost done. So yeah, now you can see and check the before and after. So this is before, and this is after. Okay, so as you can see the difference before and after.
So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have liked this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, please do give your feedback and comments in the comment section, and also let me know how do you feel about this video, and if you have any better suggestion for this kind of thing, so you can also let me know about that. I would really appreciate all your feedback. So be happy, be joyful, be creative, be awesome. I will see you in the next video, and till then,